taught me through my life. From very early, you taught me the importance of family, trust, and love. You have taught me to value myself and to value others. You have taught me again and again to never give up and to follow my dreams. When I was sick or scared, you would stay with me and You taught me to laugh and to use my imagination. You shared your stories and always let me make up my own mind. You made every birthday and holiday perfect and special just by bringing the family together. I wanted to thank you for loving me, accepting me the way I am, and telling me you are proud of me. You have helped me become who I am through all the love and faith you have provided and all the amazing lessons you have taught me.
So no matter what, I just wanted to thank you and let you know that I love you, and I think that for the amazing parents you gave me, you are the best parents in the world.
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman nasanay ito ay pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hakan at yakapin. Sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo kung ba kaya'y ibigin mo. Kung mabuti na ang ugot ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng makaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin.
Palati na talagang bigay niya.
Sa'yo
Memuliya mo ka nung nakakalabiya. Handa na ang ulit pa ng masarling.
pag-ibig ko lagi sa'yo.
Ano eh?
Kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking